I have a Honda GVC160 OHV small engine that drips oil out of the bottom of the head. It looks like it is coming from the area where the shaft goes through the timing gear and bottom of the head. Looking at a parts breakdown, they show a O-ring at the bottom of the shaft. Is there anywhere I could find out how to replace that O-ring if it is the problem? Thanks, John.
Hi, my name is XXXXX I am here to help you.
I have a Honda GVC160 OHV small engine that drips oil out of the bottom of the head. It looks like it is coming from the area where the shaft goes through the timing gear and bottom of the head. Looking at a parts breakdown, they show a O-ring at the bottom of the shaft. Is there anywhere I could find out how to replace that O-ring if it is the problem? Thanks, John.
I would be happy to help you with this. These are really simple engines. You may need a mirror to assist you. On the bottom of the cam, the plastic gear with the belt on it, there are two horizontal marks. These should be lined up with the edge of the engine so that you can see them both and they are parallel. Does this make sense so far?
Yep, rebuilt a number of V8s and 6s in my time, just have not been in small engines with OHVs.
Okay, what you will have obtained at this point is top dead center. Both rockers should be a little loose at this point. Now you can take a pair of pliers and pull the camshaft straight down. The valve cover is what holds it in. You may have to gently pull the cam forward to relieve tension on the shaft. Then you can let the cam set back in the engine a little. If it's in your way, you can lift the belt and remove the cam. Just watch that the belt doesn't fall into the engine. Take an ice pick or similar tool and remove the old O-ring. Put a little Vaseline or oil on the new O-ring and slip it in. Then put the cam back in position, making sure you don't rotate the crankshaft so that you maintain TDC and slipping the cam a cog at a time if you need to adjust to regain the timing marks. Then slide the camshaft back in with the flat side facing the front of the engine. Apply an even coat of RTV silicone to the valve cover and reinstall, making sure the tab on the bottom is holding the camshaft in place. You should be ready to go. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.
So the O-ring is below the cam in a groove where the shaft passes through. Is it a standard O-ring or do you have to order a special ring from a parts house? Sounds easy enough. Will there be a problem with timing if the belt moves?
I have always got no rings for Hondas from Honda because I have had problems getting the right thickness from parts stores, but you can try. The timing will not be a problem so long as the crank does not move. There is a cog pulley just like the cam on the crankshaft.
Sounds like I am good to go then. Thanks for the assistance, may have saved me a lot of headaches trying to figure it out.
My pleasure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.